Hi there, Thomason here. In this tutorial, we're gonna explain you how to add new pages in the Agent Finder website, how to edit current ones, how to add new blocks, images, titles, descriptions, text, and other blocks that exist into each new page, how we can construct a page, and how we can design it to look at least some of good. So let's get started. We are on the home page of the Agent Finder. We are currently logged in as administrator. As you can see, we have a top navigation track. If we don't have one, we can always navigate into wp minus admin URL. So this will lead us into the dashboard of our website. Here we go. If we have this track above, we can always with the dashboard right here. So let's add a new page. We navigate to pages, then add new. We want to add this new page with Fusion Page Builder. Whole website is constructed with this builder. So we can right away click Fusion Page Builder. Here we go. We got a new interface now. First, we write the title down. There we go. Then we need to select a category. If we are using categories, this is not a must. This is if we want to. As well, we can choose parent right here. So if this website, if this page is a sub-parent of another parent. So let's say benefits. Actually, neither one of these has a drop down. So basically, if we have something under benefits, then this new page would be a parent of parent benefits. But as we don't have anything in this sample, I can put benefits as parent. Template, I'm gonna choose 100% width. This means we won't have sidebar included, so it's a clean page in full width. So first, what we want to do is add a new full width container. Either that, or we can add a new one row. I'm gonna add a full width container, and in it, I'm gonna add one row. This is a drag and drop interface, so you can simply click here and drag it inside. So this one row can be one half or any other structure that we want. I'll create two halves. We can clone this element right with this button, or we can delete elements with trash can button right here. Another functionalities settings are with edit element button. We can click on it. Now we have various options here. There are really a lot of settings right here. They are self-explanatory, so no need to explain them further because there's too much of them. As we have two halves now, I'm gonna add text in one and image in another. So we need to navigate the builder elements on the top. There we go. So I'm gonna use this. Actually, I'm gonna add title first. Here we go. We click on title and drag it on the spot where we want it to be. Up below, I'm gonna add text block. Here we go. Now I'm gonna edit this title block with edit button here. So we have various settings here once again. Here is the title column. We enter here the title that we want. When we're satisfied with it, we click Save. We do the same thing for text block. Here we click Edit Element. And here we add a text. Here we go. We click Save when we're satisfied and done. So, what did I say? We're gonna add image on the right half. So we find the image block here. Here we go, image frame. We click on it, drag it inside here. We click Edit Element. Various settings here from frame style, align left, right. I'm gonna choose center. And here we upload the picture. So I'm gonna upload the image now. Actually, I'm gonna use the one from Media Library. It doesn't really matter. Let's say I'm gonna add this one. Insert into page. And save. There we go. Now we can preview this page without publishing it. Meaning if we publish this page, it will be visible to everyone. I mean, nobody will be able to access it because they won't have the actual URL for it until you include it into menu. So basically, it really doesn't matter that much. You can publish it, nobody will see it because only you will have the link. But we can as well preview it. It won't publish the page, so let's see. Preview. Here we go. I'm gonna add a little more text so it's a little nicer. I'm gonna add a sample text block that's added into demo web pages. So I'm gonna replace it with this one. So this is how our page looks like. I'm gonna add some new elements here. I can add again new column. I'm gonna add one row that's full width. I'm gonna drag it inside this full width container so it's one single container. Inside I can add any of these. Let's say I'm gonna add a YouTube video. We click on it and we drag it into this row container. So now we click edit here and it asks us for video ID. So I'm gonna find some sample YouTube video just to be added for a few seconds and I'll remove it right away. Here I'm gonna copy this code, copy it inside here. We have width and height here. We can alter these dimensions, but I'll leave it as it is for now. We have autoplay settings here, and click Save. Let's preview this page once again to see how it does look like now. Here we go. We have the text that I've just changed, and we have a video here. Again, it's smaller dimensions, that's why it doesn't cover the whole 100% block, because this is actually 100% block. But to demonstrate, we can alter this. Let's say preview. Here we go. It's full width now because I entered bigger dimensions and it covered the entire block. I can add a new column, let's say 1/4. I can add 4 of these. Just click them 4 times. Here we go. 4 different blocks are generated, 4 different columns. They can be inside a single row, or they don't have to be, but I'm gonna insert them into new full width container, and I'm gonna drag them inside. So it's more organized. Here we go. We can now add new elements into these blocks. We can add, and there are really many blocks here, so we can play with this. It would take ages for all of this to be explained. We have testimonials, text box and title, which you have just seen. We have YouTube Vimeo videos to be inserted. We have pricing table, post slider. We have person block, checklist, and there are really much blocks here. I can add 4 titles, let's say now. I can clone them to be faster. I'm gonna name them title 4, title 3, title 2, and title 1. Again, we can play with these settings as well in this editor. We can change the color of this title to, let's say, blue. We can underline it, click Save, and let's preview that. There we go. We have 4 titles. The first one is like I've just styled it. Let's say if we want to add text block with a link, I'm going to drag it here. Let's say if we want a link to be directed to this YouTube video, we copy it here and we click Insert Link. We pass URL here, we click Apply, and there we go. We have, this is a URL now. We can edit it. We have different options. We can change the text of this URL. Open me. We can select open a link in new tab here. I'm going to select now and click update. Save, and let's preview it once again. I'm going to show you, deleting is really simple as well. We can just click delete here element, and the element is gone. Preview. We won't have this video now because I've deleted it. Here we go, we have open me. It's a URL now. We can click on it and new pages appear. So it's really simple once you get used to it. There are tabs as well, image carousel, Google Maps, fonts, flip boxes, events, alerts, and much things going on here. Again, in column options, we add blocks, containers of different elements and models. So once we set up a column, we go into builder elements and we set up elements and models for these column containers that we just added. I can, let's say, add new title here. I can drag it left, right, wherever I want to. I can delete this image, clone this title, edit this title, and so on. So in this text block, we can add image here as well without a special element. We have add media here. We select image and click insert into page. And there we go, image is added. We can click on it and we can select options. Do we want it to be aligned left, center, or right? Once we're done, we click save. We click preview. This will alter now because I've deleted this image on the right, added two new titles. Here we go. Image is here. Again, I can delete this one half and extend this left column to be full width with clicking on the plus button. Here we go. Once we're done, we click preview again. And here we go, it's full width now. If you want a sidebar in here, we don't choose 100% width. We choose default template, and that's the way to go. And that's more or less good part of knowledge, how to add new pages, how to manipulate them, how to create them. Thanks for watching.